Ito ba talaga collateral mo?
Wala tayong ibang choice.
Hindi na ako magiging bayad utang. Ako na ang naglalaro.
Let's rework the gown, huh? Let's change the fabric, let's change the neckline, let's change the bride. You've endured quite a lot to get here. Are you sure that this is what you really want?
Good luck na lang kay Marge. Kukunin ko ang loob ng buong Torre Campo. At si Edward ang magiging access ko para mangyari yun.
If you think that this wedding will make you part of us, you're wrong. You can still walk away, huh? Habang may dignidad ka pa.
Sir, excuse me po. May konting delay lang po tayo.
Where is she?
Sir, naka-standby po siya kanina sa rider car, pero bigla po siya nawala.
Oh, nasan na?
Wait lang po, sir. Nahanap mo na ba? Check mo sa room. Sir, wait lang po, sir.
Ate. Milaw na mukha mo, ate.
Jobert.
Kuya, bakit?
Ano ko lang ate mo, ha? Kinakaba mo ako dun, ha? Akala ko iniwan mo na ako.
Sinisigurado ko lang ang sarili ko na kahit gaano kahirap, kakayanin ko. Para sa atin. Para sa magiging pamilya natin.
We are gathered here today to witness and celebrate the union of two hearts, Paolo and Marjorie, as they begin their life together as husband and wife. Today we honor the promise in front of God, their families, and all who hold them.
Hello, everyone.
We're so sorry. Tuloy lang kayo. Don't mind us.
Thea?
You know her?
Okay po, smile. Closer. Smile po.
Ma,
Edward! Oh, it's so nice to see you.
Dad.
Minsan ka na nga lang magpakita. Muntik mo pang sirain yung kasal ng kuya mo.
Miss you too, Dad. Anyway, Ma, Dad, this is Thea Villarreal. Thea, these are my parents. It's Greg and Regina Torrecampo.
Hello po. Nice to meet you. Ang ganda-ganda niyo po.
Villarreal? Are you in any way related to the Villarreals of Batangas?
Yes po. I'm glad to finally meet you po. Edward, is she your...
She's a very special someone. Actually, siya nag-convince sa akin na pumunta rito.
Then a very big thank you to you for bringing home our bunso, Thea.
It's easy to convince someone to come home with a family is as wonderful as yours po.
Then welcome to our wonderful family.
Ay, thank you po. Ay, Marge, it's nice to see you again.
Teka, magkakilala kayo?
Actually po, dati po kami magkatrabaho. Pero rivalry po kami nun eh. Alam niyo naman po sa property selling, lahat gustong mauna, lahat gusto pong mag-shine. Pero ang tagal na po nun. Marge, sana this time, we can just support each other. And no more competition, please.
Torrecampo family, your turn.
Okay. I'll let you have your moment. Sige, sige. I'll see you later. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, closer.
Okay. Smile.
Timing lang. Makakasama din ako sa family picture na yan soon.